Hello guys, and at the end of this video I'm going to be telling you guys how to install compiler on your Mac operating system and how to configure that so that you can actually use VS Code and be able to compile your C program. So first of all, you have to type this code on inside your terminal. So just type S code. Mac operating system always come with a compiler, but it's not installed, so you need to tell your terminal to actually select this S code tools and install that. So that's what you need to do. So it's not very complex, it's not complex like that in Windows operating system. So what you just need is just go to your terminal and just copy this code. So I'm gonna open my terminal. So this is my terminal, and what you just need to do, you need to type in the code s code select and install, and just press enter, and it's going to install your tools, which is GCC and GDB, and it's going to install that. So after installation, what you need to do, you need to check if your PC now have GCC. So how do you do that? You need to check, just ask for the version, just say GCC version. So if you have GCC, it's going to give you the version. If you don't have it, it's going to tell you that the command cannot be found. So now it gives me the version. So this is my version, and this is the name of the GCC, Clang, which actually means I'm having GCC on my PC. So I hope you guys find this helpful and useful. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and you can actually watch my other videos.